Hello and welcome to the MyGuru online GRE classroom. My name is Stefan, and today we're going to take a look at a standard quantitative comparison problem on the GRE out of the ETS official guide and see how we can use plugging in to work through the problem. So the first thing we're always going to do when approached with a quantitative comparison is set up our scratch pad with the quantities written out first. And you want to articulate the information as mathematically as possible. And if the answer is yes, just start with an easy number. And usually those easy numbers are going to be things like 2, 5, 10, 100, 1/2, or relevant factors. We can just plug in something easy for Lionel and Maria's ages that are in the problem even. We can say L is equal to 2 and M is equal to 3. So if Lionel's age is 2, that means that quantity A is going to be 4, because 2 times 2 is 4. And then quantity B is just Maria's age, and that's going to be 3. Now, anytime you are plugging in, D is always last to be eliminated because you have to test multiple times. But in this case, we can see that quantity A is greater than quantity B. So we can immediately eliminate choices B and C as not always being the case, just based on this one outcome. So now we just want to think critically about how we could potentially get to where quantity B is greater than quantity A. And we could even keep a control of Lionel's age still being 2 and just up Maria's age to one of those other easy numbers that we mentioned of 10. So quantity A remains the same at 4 when Lionel's age is 2, but this time quantity B is going to be 10. And now quantity B is greater than A. That means we eliminate choice A and we confidently select choice D. As soon as you discover different outcomes from your plugging in, select D.